Those semiconductor stocks in Bursa Malaysia already run up a lot. Okay, so I think AEM time may come soon. AEM has a very tough week. Okay, it has a very tough week. Last week, okay, it was like going to die like that. No, it's going to die like this. But okay, how do we know when do we get out of this stock? Okay, firstly, the earning prospect is still there. AEM, I think we cover a lot of time why AEM is a buy. So for those of you who want to come to this page, all you need to do is to click on FA. Okay, so you will come to this page, and then you do AEM. Okay, now AEM, very good stock, and the TTM, you can see that their earnings is getting stronger and stronger. Okay, and their main customer is actually Intel. I managed to catch a reports by the Edge magazine featuring AEM, so I got to know, oh, their main customer is Intel. Okay, so Intel, if doesn't perform too badly in the earnings, so will AEM. Okay, now what is the reason for AEM to perform? Okay, in terms of fundamentals business, now we must know, because for every stock that you trade, okay, that you want to trade, you want to know what the business is about. Okay, so AEM, we are playing the COVID-19 team play again here, but this time is from work from home team. Okay, a lot of people start to work remotely, so there's a demand for servers, demand for memory over in the hard disk space, in the data center space. Okay, and also the personal computer hardware like your laptop, all these Intel. Okay, Intel, AMD, Intel. So AEM is one of the vendors supplying to Intel, so we expect its business to report very robust growth. Okay, but all this must depend on Intel's earnings. Okay, Intel earnings. So this is AEM. So today, what's happened today? You can see that after it drops down, right? Why I didn't run? Because a couple of you asked, hey, last week, hey, should we get out of AEM? So I personally, my average price is about 313. Okay, because I bought here, and then it dropped before it bounced, so I added here in view that it will break, but it didn't. It comes down. So after you see this long black candle with high volume, if the share price doesn't continue with high volume coming down, usually is no danger. Okay, so it completed 2 days with low volume, and now we start to see volume increasing as it starts to trade upwards. This is a bullish sign. Okay, this is a bullish sign. So as it trades toward 330s, okay, 330s, that is the time we have to we have to prepare that it maybe 330 this time around will break out higher. Okay, semiconductor stocks over at Wall Street hasn't run up yet, only the Google, the Microsoft, the Apple are running. So the semiconductor stocks still have a chance, a wild card, that they may start to go up. Those semiconductor stocks in Bursa Malaysia already run up a lot. Okay, so I think AEM time may come soon. And also UMS, we are still waiting for it. Okay, very beautiful chart that you can see the buyers are in control. Selling is always lower volume, and then this pop. This is the same day where AEM went up, then after it pulls back with lower volume. So if you compare both chart AEM and UMS, you can see that actually UMS is more controlled. The selling is more controlled. You can see there is a big swing down with high volume, but UMS is very, very gentle. Very gentle. Okay. So I'm still waiting for the volume to trigger for UMS. So let me show you. Okay, these are our alerts. Okay, the alerts we're going to go through together to get rid of those that we don't want. Okay, so UMS right here. Okay, so I have set the alert to be 6 million units. 6 million shares for UMS. Okay, 6 million. So once I receive 6 million, right? I will open up. Okay, so once everybody receive the alert onto your mobile phone, this is the time you open up the UMS chart and you must see a white candle like reverse tone today. Or is it MACDEX? MACDEX, sorry. Reverse tone was last week. So show you last week also can. Because I know reverse tone also another question, right? Like this. So when you open up the chart, you see a fat juicy candle like this. Then you use the 1 to 2 bit rule to muscle reverse tone. Okay, that was last week. And then today we have MACDEX. Okay, MACDEX. This is today. Okay, today when the volume meets and you see white candle, that is the time to buy MACDEX. Coming on the back of higher and higher volume as you go higher. You can see the buyers coming back in control. Okay, so this is what we want to see in UMS tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow if it starts to go up and you hit the volume trigger, so the upside can be from 93 cents all the way to 97 cents and perhaps break higher. Okay, all these semiconductor. The other thing I want to highlight to you is the news. Okay, news on all these semiconductors. Let me just scroll down and show it to you. There you go. Okay, now we receive news that the Singapore economy is the decline is bigger than expected, so market sold off. But the next day, it reported the non-oil export, okay, went up. Okay, two particular sectors stand up. Okay, so it is the electronic export, 22.2%, and the biopharmaceutical. Okay, pharmaceutical, not bio, pharmaceutical stock. Not stock, the industry. These two went up. Okay, so electronic is where we are most interested in. 22.2% up. So Singapore listed company only Hy-P, UMS, Venture, AEM. These are the bigger ones. So if the electronic export goes up like this big number, 22.2%, I am pretty sure that the four of them, their earnings should be good. Okay, should be good. Oh, still got Franken, almost forgot Franken. So should be good. So we continue to wait. We see how is it going forward. Okay, because the chart is not bearish at all. Okay, if you talk about DBS or that, yeah, it is looking bad, but risk also looking bad. You see, like want to jump down, eh? Or DBS. But what we are trading like UMS, AEM, those are all looking fine. Okay, looking fine. All for tonight. All these stocks that I analyzed together with you and have some fun chit-chatting with you. Okay, for those of you who are interested in my training program, I do conduct a very low-cost training program, cater to train you up to be able to trade the stock market in under 3 months. Okay, so you're not looking at 2,000, you're not looking at 3,000. It is only at $291 for 3 months. So after 3 months, the most popular question is, after 3 months, what happened? After 3 months, then you are no longer a member. You should be able to know how to trade already. So if you still think that you need more training and you need more mentorship from me, then you renew another 291. Okay, now when you sign up for 291, what do you get? Okay, now this is me. Okay, you will get access to the premium training videos that I have prepared right here. So all members are encouraged to go through the training videos, 9 of them. Okay, let's go through. So how to use the software, just now I show you the ESP Master User Guide, and then how to find earnings momentum stocks. Okay, then this is how to calculate target price using the EPS model. Okay, and this one, how to determine volume trigger. This is the core principle behind the execution of the trade, when to buy. Okay, now how many units to buy, how many shares to buy, how to manage your stock portfolio. Okay, and then you have got sell rules, when to sell. Now buying is easy, buying is simple. Tomorrow stock market open, you just buy a stock, but when do you sell? That's the art you need to learn. Okay, now John asked a question, does the mentorship program cover the dividend play training? I am preparing for the video. Once it's ready, I will upload for all the members over here. Okay, there is no, okay, let me repeat, there is no second training on dividend play or a separate course. Don't have. It will be integrated into the same program over here. Okay, so this is the units. So once you get access to this Facebook private group, units is where all the training videos are, and discussion is the stocks that we're talking about. Okay, stocks that we are talking about, Sheng Siong lah, the weekly webinar lah, every Monday. Okay, every Monday about 9 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. I'll be online. So this is the video. Okay, then let's go back to this. You get access to all the software as well. Now, this is the Facebook group. Okay, so the videos are inside this group, and you get access to this group during the 90 days. And you get access to the stock screener, ESP master, and also the fundamental information right here. Last time we separate the package. This you have to pay a separate cost for it. Now no, now 2 in 1. Everything hamplang together for only 291. Okay, for only 291. So I believe a lot of you may have traded before, and you know to lose 291 is very simple and very easy. Now, instead of losing this 291 and don't know what's going on and keep repeating, keep losing the next 291, why don't you invest this 291 in this program and learn, okay, how to read chart, how to find stocks to trade for 3 months together with me, that BMT. So after that, you should be able to do it by yourself. Okay, but if, like I say, if you still need help, you can continue to subscribe to 291 and let us do this together. Okay, so this is the 4 simple step. You do the screening, you pick from the list, you evaluate the fundamental information, and then you wait for the volume trigger before you buy the stock. About ChartNexus, okay, I think a lot of you know who is ChartNexus. We supply charts to KHN, UOB KHN. We are the software vendor in the broking industry for the last 14 years. Okay, for the last 14 years. So you know that we are deeply rooted in this part of the world, supplying to the industry. Okay, you can trust us. Now this is my name, Yihua. Okay, a lot of people ask me, hey, your name, Chinese name, very difficult to remember. No, do you have an English name? Have. Okay, my English name is called ChartNexus law. Okay, ChartNexus law. Right, so this is my name, private trader for the last 16 years. So this last time a news article featured me, so I use this picture, okay, this phrase from me. And the trade results from all the past members and the testimonials are here, so you can come here and take a look. I'm going to, the link already pinned up onto the chart, okay, onto the chart. Sorry, not onto the chart, onto the chat, to the chat. Right, so this is the program for 291. It's just like paying to learn swimming. Okay, paying to learn swimming. Now, I've come to the end of the presentation. Any question, feel free to ask under the comments field.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.